What's up, you guys? It's Jason with RPM. Today we are here with our Can-Am Maverick R, checking out more carbon fiber goodies. Those of you who are at the 2025 Sand Show got a sneak peek at all of this carbon fiber stuff. And it has taken us far too long to get it available for you guys, but there's one thing that came with that, and that is perfection. We literally perfected these. We went to Baja, we tested them in Baja for 1,500 miles. We came back, we did some more testing, some stress testing on the carbon fiber, some clearance stuff. We wanted to make sure that these cleared everything. So aftermarket, upper A-arms, we wanted to make sure they cleared a lot of those. We're pretty confident they clear all of them now. We wanted to refine our design, and we did that. And these things are just literally beautiful. So we followed the factory body lines with these. We didn't make them any wider than the factory body lines, so we just kind of kept that nice clean flow the whole way. And as you can see, we tied in clean flow on the front. And one thing we wanted to make sure we were doing was following these factory body lines right there. No waves, no gaps, nothing. Everything fits like an OEM finish. These are honestly better than Can-Am's OEM fit. So these are our twill-weave carbon fiber fenders from RPM, and they turned out great. We're using stainless steel hardware to attach them to the body. We have an ABS plastic front mount for them. No drilling, no cutting, nothing like that is required. We're using all factory holes everywhere. These are mounted super sturdy. I mean, you can see we're on the whole car. Like, nothing's flexing, nothing's moving around, nothing's causing other fitment issues. And yeah, these will travel. We can get about 3/4 of the way through a factory bump stop, which is a long ways. You shouldn't be bottoming out your bump stop. You shouldn't be bottoming out your bump stop that far ever, but you do have the clearance to do so. Before it were to touch. So you would have to literally rip the front end off the car before you ran into any clearance issues. So cool things that we did was we made sure we rolled all of our edges. So all of our carbon fiber edges are all rolled here on the side. It's hooking on the factory body panel here on the front or back, hooks on the front. That's how we keep those clean, smooth body lines. These essentially will clip into place and then you'll mount them. As far as mounting, we've got stainless steel hardware. These are all 304 stainless. And again, we talked about the ABS front mount. I mean, I really don't have much more to say about these other than they look sick. They're carbon fiber, which has always got that bougie factor. And they really complete, I feel like they complete the look to the Maverick R. So I prefer that fender look. And obviously, you know, RPM, we prefer that carbon fiber. So these are, you know, battlefield tested in Baja. We even hit them with rocks and they didn't break, which is astonishing. And yeah, they complement our other carbon fiber parts well, obviously our intakes. And while we're here, we might as well talk about the hood real quick. This is the carbon fiber hood. We're gonna have another video about this, but this is available on rpmsidebyside.com as well. It obviously complements our other accessories perfect. This will clear both forms of the shocks that you can get with the Maverick R. So smart shocks, these will clear smart shocks and non-smart shock models. They fully cover the shock itself. You can still use the factory LED light in the front. I prefer that closed up look. Get those factory body lines. Again, the factory body line look was what we were going for. So you can see we're kind of pulling these body lines off of the hood, following more factory body lines here. These clip in the factory way. Everything is, we try to keep everything super clean, super factory looking. Like, this is the way the car should have come, in our opinion. So, but yeah, this is the details about the fenders and not the hood so much, but we obviously have that. We have our carbon fiber access panel, carbon fiber intakes, and other carbon fiber accessories for the Maverick R. If you like what you see, you can pick them up, rpmsidebyside.com.